In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, precision and reliability are paramount. And when it comes to camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, or cam crank sensors for short, one name stands out above the rest: Walker Products. Walker Products boasts the largest program in the North American automotive aftermarket. With an unparalleled commitment to quality and coverage, they've become the go-to choice for thousands of professional technicians and DIYers alike. What sets Walker Products apart is our dedicated engineering, research, and development team. Our experts leave no stone unturned in the pursuit of sensor perfection. Through rigorous testing and innovation, we ensure that every sensor meets the highest standards. But it doesn't stop there. Walker Products employs proprietary testing equipment and procedures, guaranteeing that each sensor delivers peak performance and reliability. From design to production, every step is taken with precision and care. It's no wonder why thousands trust Walker Products cam and crank sensors every day. Whether you're a seasoned technician in a premier repair shop or a do-it-yourselfer tackling your own repairs, you can trust Walker Products to deliver the quality and coverage you need to get the job done right.